Temptations this hour. This is your 16-inch Resin Figural Spring Wreath. It's $49.96. Your easy pay, $16.65. It's item number H248179. No choice to make. We only have it here in the egg hunt. So if you got anything earlier in egg hunt, guess what? You can get this too, which I think is so nice. H248179. All right, let's talk about this one because Lisa, this little wreath to me is super fun, really whimsical, and I just think about, you know, of course you can put it on a door, but a lot of other places you can put inside of your home.
Without a doubt, even right here, how we just have it like on a plate stand, right? So you can tuck it into a bookcase, put it on a mantle, lay it down flat, my favorite thing to do, and put flameless candles, and we can show you that in a minute because we actually have that. Put it around a vase, it's absolutely gorgeous. But this is resin, and what that means is it's nice, sturdy construction. Just under 4 pounds. It's that great diameter of just about 13.5 inches. A bunny that kind of comes every 4. You know, when you think about your 12 o'clock, your 3 o'clock, your 6, and I love that.
Put a clock in the middle of it. Wouldn't that be fun?
Would that? Oh, you're brilliant.
I'm just thinking, you know.
I think that's amazing. But this is our egg hunt pattern. And the thing about resin, not only is it sturdy, but it brings the color to life. So you can see the vibrancy of the teal and the yellow and how the white bunny just pops off. I love the fact that it has that satin ribbon right there included. And then you can see even on the back right here, see how we have our little hook. So if you want to hang it on a door, that's actually perfect. And the video that we showed at the beginning is actually my own front door, and I layered it on top of like a eucalyptus wreath. So there's so many great ways to do this. Hang it on a buffet on the side. So much fun of just adding that touch of color. There's what I was talking about.
That's good on the little mirror. I love that. And that's your front door.
That is my front door, and I just layered it onto a eucalyptus wreath.
Look at that. That's sweet.
Right? We put flowers right in the center of it.
Easy.
So this is the thing about Temptations. We call it magical transformation. That we call it a wreath because we have to call it something.
Right.
But it's so much more. It's like our door decor and more, if you will. Hang it on a mirror, right?
It's so easy. Like literally, I literally just think about all the things. You go, yeah, okay, wreath. Okay, of course I could put it on a door. That's easy. Put it on that, hang it from, I was gonna say, put it on a mirror.
Yes.
But I love like the fact that the bunnies are at like 12, 6, 9, and 3.
You're right.
Put a little clock on it in the middle of it. Help the kids keep time and learn time with these little bunny rabbits, but then use it on that table with on top of a little mirror. Put flowers on it. It's just easy decorating.
And that's the thing about Temptations. You get it home and then you get inspired. You get inspired to do all of these great things. And I love the fact that it's not that perfect circle. We did the cutout of the egg.
That's
so
nice.
that gives it character. It gives it depth. It's how you know it's a quality piece. You're not going to see this coming and going. But my favorite part about a wreath is you don't have to rebuy it every year.
That's it. Not this wreath anyway.
No, you will have it forever until you want to pass it down. So that's what you know, when you think about how you're going to spend your money, I think it's important that we spend it wisely. You know that at this time next spring, you're all set.
You'll have your things. You'll have your things. Be ready to come on out as soon as you want. As soon as you are feeling like a little bit of winter gloom, depending on where you live, and you go, you're over it. I want to start manifesting spring and warmer days. You go, wait a minute, let me just go ahead and break out my spring decor. And this is one of those things that you can break out. It's just going to bring happiness to you. All these fun colors, like, come on, that just makes you happy when you see all of these fun colors. So that's what we're talking about. Decorating for spring, getting home a few items early because we have them on clearance. Of course, in a couple of weeks, you know, we're going to be full blown into spring and things are going to be full price for sure. So this is a great way to get a head start to get a few pieces home to go, yeah, I can get these flameless candles home. I can get this wreath home. I can get a couple of other things from Temptations home. So you have a nice base to go ahead and start decorating for spring or for Easter, whichever one, which I think is so nice. And we need to do that more. You know, over the last couple of years, we've spent a lot of time at home. We have. And we've spent a lot of time making that home a place that we want to be in. And so more people are starting to decorate per season. I've noticed that specifically in these last couple of years. And I think it's such a great and smart idea. One of our producers told me the other day, she said, Monifa, I have all this spring stuff. I'm ready to start decorating for spring.
Right? That's exactly right. And I love it because these are the pieces that make you smile. First of all, look at the depth of the field on that when you see it flat. You can see the highs and lows. That's what makes it so unique and so different. It's not just a flat piece of, you know, of resin that we just painted. No, we did the highs and the lows. We did the bunnies. We did 3 different colored eggs. We added polka dots. We added those little squiggly lines that are so fun. But the other thing I love to do is hang it on an interior window.
Oh, yeah.
So this isn't just for your front door. It's great for your side door.
I will put it on my patio door, my sliding patio, on the inside too. Not even
on the inside. So it greets your guests. So if you're sitting at a table, everybody can sit and look at this. Yeah, it's great to have it on the outside too.
Right.
But decorate the inside of your home.
Please decorate the inside, right?
Look how absolutely darling this is. Just under 4 pounds right there. And it's that perfect size. Not too big, not too small. Like, even if you live in a condo, put it in a planter.
Yeah.
How cute that would look with a little, you know, shepherd's hook.
That's adorable. So people are picking up more than one. You're smart, because it's the first day you're seeing this at this clearance price presented. And it's on a clearance, so that means we're not getting these back. You're saving over $23 off of our regular QVC price. It's $49.96. Your easy pay on this, $16.65 to be able to get this home. It's beautiful. You're going to use it year after year after year. Item number H248179. Now, if you want something that's just one little thing that you can get to change a space,